All right, animal rights advocates, let's dive into some big news from the UK scientific community. Research agencies have ordered scientists to step up their game when it comes to using animals in experiments. Why? Well, it turns out many poorly designed projects have been wasting animals' lives and producing meaningless results. Imagine this, you're trying to test a new medicine for serious conditions like strokes or cancer, but to save costs, researchers often use too few animals. This means their studies lack the power to detect the real biological effects of the drugs they're testing. The result? Unreliable data, wasted time, resources, and most importantly, wasted animal lives. This issue has been under investigation for 2 years. And finally, Research Councils UK, the big umbrella group that funds research, has announced new guidelines. Scientists now need to ensure their work is not only insightful, but also statistically robust. If their studies don't meet these standards, they could lose their funding. Malcolm McLeod, a neuroscientist from Edinburgh University, put it well. There's a growing realization that some animal experiments aren't robust enough. These new guidelines are a step in the right direction, even if they took a while to arrive. Let's break down some numbers. In 2013 alone, 4.12 million scientific procedures on animals were started in Great Britain. We're talking mostly about rats and mice here. About half of these procedures involved breeding genetically modified animals, while the other half were experiments on unmodified animals. Many of these experiments are crucial for testing drugs before human trials begin. But here's the catch. You need a pretty large number of animals to really see if a drug is working. Mark Prescott, Head of Research Policy for the UK National Centre for the Replacement, Refinement and Reduction of Animals in Research, summed it up perfectly. He said, yes, you can use animals in experiments, but no more than necessary and no fewer. It is ethically questionable to get the numbers wrong either way. So there you have it. The scientific community in the UK is making strides to ensure animal testing is done more responsibly. These new guidelines should help create more meaningful results and, most importantly, save animal lives. Thanks for tuning in, and let's continue to advocate for better practices in animal testing.